chase country.
Chase country.
Description also, please copy paste the same thing. And this time in the module, the first item will be our global human resource. Yeah, you can select global human resource.
Validation. Same.
And validation type, no, validation type this time it's going to be different because format only we have selected, right? Already we have selected.
Yeah.
So it's going to be an independent. So we are going to create a dependent, like dependent value set. But for a dependent value set, we need to have a independent value set. So yeah, let's select independent.
Independent is characters, right?
Yes, characters.
And
then value subtype, yeah, text.
Text.
Yeah. Size 15 or 20. Let's have it as 20. And now save, just save. Don't save and close, just save it. Now, if you notice, manage values have appeared, right? So we have to create some values in this independent for this independent value set. Yeah. Click on manage values.
Manage values. Value.
At the bottom, we have to create the values. Yeah, please create values. IND. We are going to create country. So this is a country, right? Chase country, right? So let's create IND. Everything in caps. IND. Yeah. Description, just have it as India. And add one more. Actually, two more. We can add one at a time, I believe. So add one more. US. United States. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, United States. Yeah. Add another UK. United Kingdom.
That's it, or add
So,
one more? No.
Sorry?
Save. No, three
Yes,
or add more?
Three is enough. Three is enough. Three is enough. Just for example purpose only, right? Like practice purpose only, right? So three is enough. So save it. Save and close, maybe. Yeah, we can perform save and close.
Save and close for here also.
Yes. So we have created country, but for country, each country we need to have states, right? So now let's add one more. Yeah, one more value set. Create value set. There is a delay in the screen sharing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So one more. So chase
Yes.
what?
Chase states. So we are going to create state for yeah, for each country that we have created. So state, STAT, states. Yes. Copy the same. Modules, global.
Validation. Same independent, right?
Dependent. This time dependent.
Oh, okay.
So we have created an independent list, which in which we have added the country. Okay. In the dependent list, we are going to create the states. Yeah. Okay.
Value subtype.
Text. 20. Length, let's have it as 20.
And there is independent value set.
Exactly. So we are going to link this with the available independent value list. So search
Oh,
search
okay.
for Chase.
Chase
Yeah, country.
country. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay.
Save
Once
or
you have
save and
done that,
close.
save. Yes. Please save it. Just save it. Once you have saved it, the manage value will appear, right? So click on manage value, manage values. Yeah.
So state will be.
Yeah. Yeah. Give me a moment. It's still not loaded for me.
Yeah. Like for India, one state, for all the other
Yes. For
countries.
India, Bangalore. Yeah. So let's add. Yeah. Bangalore. Description also we can have Bangalore. And independent value we have to select IND.
Just have to.
Yeah. You can select it from the drop down.
Okay, yeah.
Now you have provided correct value, so that's fine. But usually you can select it from drop down. No, no, not New York. Chennai, Hyderabad. So Chennai,
Okay, for India, so we have to create
three. We are
three.
creating three for India.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chennai, same. Copy paste. Yes. See, it shows three, right? Three options. Yeah, IND. Yeah, add one more. And Hyderabad. Same Hyderabad. Yeah, IND. And now create one more for US, maybe Chicago, California, Chicago.
Chicago.
Copy paste. Yeah. Now select USA. Yeah, add one more. We can have California.
Yes, California, San Francisco, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, and we can add London and Atlanta for UK. For San Francisco, it's CIS. CO.
hmm.
You have written it as SIS, right? Okay, it's still loading for me. Yeah, it's still loading for me.
Atlanta is a place. Okay.
Yeah, Atlanta for UK. Yeah. Now save it. Save and close.
It did not take UK. Yeah, 7
Oh, is it still loading?
Yeah, it's still like it's taking
Yeah,
time.
yeah. Maybe because of the I mean, what is that? Network.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Now look for like go to manage value sets for global human resource. Yeah, and look for chase. Let's see if everything has been created. Yeah.
Yeah. Can't.
It's created, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, perfect, perfect.
Country, format, and states.
States. Yeah, yeah. So format is
Yeah.
just to
It,
format. Like if you look at the validation type, you will know what type of value sets each item are. So now we have
mm-hmm.
created the value sets, but we haven't used it, right? We haven't used it in the application. Okay, it is ready to use. So now save and close, and yeah, save and close, and now navigate to manage location. It is available at the bottom, manage location. Yeah. So I'm taking locations just for an example purpose. Okay, it can be division, department, or any other uh, items or objects or yeah forms that we can use. Okay, so manage location is something that we are picking up for an example purpose. Okay, and we have selected over there. We have selected something called global human resource,
mm-hmm.
right? So what we are saying is
Yeah.
these value sets should be part of global human sets, correct?
Yeah.
So that's
Mm-hmm.
and location, per location. So location is part of global human resource module. So under which module would you like to use these value sets? That's the question that the system is asking us. So what we are doing is we are saying that, boss, I'm going to use it under global human resource. So um, so what we have to do is when we are creating a value set under a particular module, it can be used only under that particular module. Yeah. So location is part of global human resource module. And yeah, let's create one. Simply create one.
Okay.
Yeah. Chase will not be available because we haven't created it yet, right? This is a new instance. So if you click on create, we are not going to actually create anything. I'm going to show you if there are any flex fields available. Yeah. So the flex
Mm-hmm.
field type, I hope you remember there are three types of flex fields.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah, can you tell me what are those?
Mm, flex field.
So one is
This.
the descriptive flex fields,
Oh, yeah.
extensible flex fields, and key flex fields. Okay,
Yeah.
we haven't looked into it in detail. We did not look into it detail, but
Okay.
we have seen the overview of what these items are. So in descriptive flex field, there are two. One is global and another one is context. So
Mm-hmm.
global is in the page that you're showing, right? Location information. After attachments, if you notice, there are two additional fields:
Mm-hmm.
location latitude and location longitude.
Yeah.
Okay, these are
Mm-hmm.
flex fields, global
Okay.
flex fields actually. Global flex fields means it will be shown upfront in application. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and there is another called context, right? Context is the drop down that we have in the same location information. We have it in the drop down. See, context, and if you click on it, there will
Right.
be. Is there any values available? US
Just.
healthcare. Okay, okay. There is one value available. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
which has been made as a like active. So that's why we are able to see this. Okay, so what we can do now is just exit from here, from location. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, exit from this location. select the task, manage descriptive flex fields. Manage descriptive flex fields, or simply type as flex fields. We can select from the list. Yeah. So it is taking some time, still loading for me. Yeah, flex field.
Manage legal entity, manage organization
No.
structure, descriptive.
Descriptive, just simply descriptive flex field. It's not available,
Manage
right?
grade descriptive.
No. Go down. Are we, or else say cancel, just have it as cancel.
Document type descriptive.
No,
Okay.
no, no. That's all right. That's all right. Just cancel this. And on the right side, we have an option, right? We have an option to search in the global task list.
Yeah.
Yes. So search, global search, and then type manage descriptive flex fields or flex fields. Yeah, anything will do. Screen is still loading for me. Like I'm able to see that you clicked on search, and yeah, it stopped now.
It's buffering for me. It's still loading.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, the first one, manage descriptive flex fields. So in this, we are going to see uh, what is an attribute and what is segment, all those things. So if you notice here, there is no option to create a flex field, the descriptive flex field. So what we have to do is we have to select the
Yeah.
correct
Yeah.
place. Yeah. So we have to correct select like place, like if you search for location. So we are going to make these changes in the location, right? So in the name, just have it as location. Just put it as location. Yeah, and search. So you will
Yeah.
notice there is something called deploy flex field option. See, and
Yeah.
yeah. So if at the bottom, if you see location is available, location attributes available, and another locations available. So all the three are descriptive flex fields, but each one is used for different modules. Okay. So HZ stands for something like maybe we can check it in the Google, or maybe in the books that we have, right? Manage descriptive flex fields, or one of the, I mean, book link that I have provided. Um, HZ underscore flex field. Let me see if I can find. HC location, right? HC locations. Yeah, HC locations is available in tables.
So select the first one.
No, we have to select the second one. So second one is the PER location DF. So PER is actually a prefix that is used for this one. What is that? Our global human resource. So we use this particular like location attributes. So now click on, once you have selected it, click on edit. So
Edit.
yes, the pencil symbol, right? The pencil symbol.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, there's so many things again.
Yes. Now if you
Uh,
see, yeah, now if you see, you can see location latitude and location longitude, which were
mm-hmm,
available, right?
mm-hmm.
See? Yeah. But if you notice, there are 4 items available here, but it is showing only 2. Other 2 are not being displayed in the system. Why?
There
So
are
why?
four
Yeah, there are 4,
latitude,
right?
longitude. Yeah.
So what happened is like I mentioned something like enabling it and disabling it, right? So if
Uh,
you click on edit here as well, like you select the first one, right? Latitude CHR,
mm-hmm.
yeah, edit. So here, if you notice under the description, the enabled option is not checked. See,
Mm-hmm.
that is the reason why it is not showing. So you can enable it. Maybe we can enable it and see. Yeah, enable it.
Save.
Yes, save and close. So it is taking some time for me, like it's not still not loading. Yeah, save and close.
Yeah.
Uh,
It's
save. Yeah,
save.
save and close. Here also you can save and close.
It's the same thing. It's having
Just
those four.
yeah, everything will be available, but we have enabled it. So save and close here.
Okay. Okay. Here also save and close.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay.
Now, if you notice, the deployment status has not been checked for this particular particular result. Yeah,
Yeah.
location attribute. So what we have to do is we have to deploy this the changes that we have made. If you hover on it, it will say edited. It says edited, right? Under the, I mean, on the deployment status, if you hover on it, it says edited. So what we have to do now is click on
Not
deploy flex field.
click on deploy.
Deploy flex field. Yeah. No. Deploy flex field on the top. No. Detach.
Okay.
Deploy flex field. Yeah. Button. Yes. So now system is validating it, finding for any errors available. If there are no errors, yeah, it's been successfully done. So click OK. Now open a new instance. No, new instance. Just copy the link and paste it in the new tab. So it's still loading for me. And now try to create location. Okay, in the new in the other window, right? Try to create a location.
Create a location. Okay.
Yes. So manage location, setup and maintenance, right? Yeah, manage location and create a new location.
So where do I create like India? Like
No,
whatever
we
name.
don't have to create anything. But if you notice, the one which you have enabled will be available. See, latitude care is available now. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
Location information. So I just wanted to show you
Yeah.
this particular piece.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now cancel this. Just simply cancel this and go to the other manage descriptive tab, right? The other tab.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, it is taking some time. Yeah. Now again, select location attribute and edit. Click on edit, the pencil symbol. Yeah. And then let's add over here, before we add it, what we can do is we can disable everything. Like all the 4 attributes are available, right? So let's disable it. Uh, Edit, like you have selected the first one, right? Please edit, click on edit. What is that? Pencil symbol. Okay, it's still loading for me.
I'm
My
unable
time.
that. Just re-click.
Yeah, yeah. You've selected,
Disable that. Yeah.
yes. Uncheck enabled and save it. Save and close. Actually, save and close. The same way, do it for all the 4. All
Okay.
the 3 actually, not 4. Longitude character is not available, so we can leave it free. Yeah,
Yeah, it's not available.
it's already disabled. Location latitude and location longitude. Yeah, let's disable these 2. Yeah, now add. Now click on add. Let's add this country and. So what we are going to do is we are going to have it as chase country. Let's have it as chase country. Yeah, code also. Let's select the same item. Yeah, yeah, perfect. And it is enabled. So if you notice, create segment. Segment is nothing but a new field. Okay, just saying that it's a new field. And column assignment data type
Characters.
character. Yes, and
Oh,
attribute. If you see the attribute, sorry.
for all this got auto-populated.
Yes,
Choose
yes,
country,
yes.
and this one, why did it take all small?
Yes, API name. If you see API is what to say. It will be used in scripting. Okay, automation and scripting. So for some for some of the scripting languages, right? This is the
Yeah.
format that we need to use.
Oh,
The
okay.
first letter should be in small letter, and as you have provided country CS, the C in caps, it has taken it as in caps, and it will not use any space.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's the reason
Yeah.
it got created like this, and I
This
believe
is what
we can update it.
this this is what you referred as schema, right?
No, no, no.
No.
Schema is different.
Okay. No, I thought the
Schema,
term schema is referred here.
no,
No.
no, 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 not schema.
Okay.
Schema is table schema. That is related to tables, right?
Okay.
Tables that we create. Now we are what we are doing is we are going to create. I mean, we are going to create a segment or a field and use one of the column table column. So in table we have different columns, right? So if you notice here, it says table column attribute 4. See,
Mm-hmm.
attribute 4 is available, right?
Yeah.
So if you click on the drop down, there will be a lot of attributes available. As you have selected it as character, it will show you only the character attributes which are related to character.
Mm-hmm.
If you change the data type, it will show something else.
Yeah. Yeah.
See, number. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Now let's have it as character. And now in the validation. So in the validation only, we are going to select the value set that we have created. Correct. So search for chase. Yeah. Country. Okay. So are you able to relate it now? So we have created the value set, and value set is nothing but validations or structure, how it should look like and so on. And then over here, what we are doing is we are creating I mean, what we're doing is we are creating a segment and linking it with the correct value set. So which
Mm-hmm.
means we can create how many ever segment we want and use the same value set again and again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So over here, if you notice, there is another checkbox which says required. So if we want to make this field as a mandatory field, we can use this required uh, range, like not range, required checkbox. Yeah,
It's high.
but range type is high and
Pri-
low.
Priority, like something like that, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Importance, priority, or mm.
I think so. Maybe we can test it. We can test it. Let's just select low now, and we can save it. Yeah, once everything is completed, we can save. So yeah, let it be like this. Yeah, please select a range. In the range type, please select something.
Mm-hmm. Low,
Yeah,
unrequired.
required is not available. I mean, not required. Please don't check required because many people will be working on this instance, right? So we should not make it as mandatory now. So go down. If you go down, initial default, like by default, what value should be available there? So
Mm-hmm.
we can select USA or something. So constant. So select a constant.
Default value,
Yes.
mandatory.
Yeah. Yeah. And this is mandatory here because we have selected the initial value, right? So this is mandatory. Derivation value is not required. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
In default, just have it as USA, right? USA. All in caps because
Mm-hmm.
that's what we have provided there, right? Okay. And at the bottom, if you notice, display property. This is the display property. So chase country we have created, right? So instead of chase country, let's have it as chase chase what to say DFF country or chase country DFF. Just have it as DFF.
Mm-hmm.
Descriptive flex field, right? So chase country space DFF. And the definition help text and instruction help text are two different things which are shown as hint. So just have it as definition help text. For definition help text, type it as a definition help text. Instruction help text, type it as instruction help text.
Or saving?
Definition help text and instruction help text. And yeah, it's still loading. For me, you're typing instruction help text now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, good. And then in the business intelligent, we don't have to do anything at all. Business intelligent, if we enable it, we will be able to use it in that particular module. If we want to use this attribute or this segment in business intelligence, then we can enable it. Yeah. So go on the top, go to the top and save it. No, save it. Yeah, save it. And save and close. You have another drop down. See.
Yeah.
Yeah, please click on that.
Save and create another.
Yes, save and create another. Please click on save and create another. Yeah. Now, in the name, please have it as chase state.
It's not okay. Messages for this page are listed.
No, no, it's already
Okay.
been saved and we have the new one, right? See, in the create segment, all the
Yeah.
names are
Yeah.
gone. See?
Got it.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Please go ahead and provide it as chase. Yeah, state.
Save.
Yeah, yeah. Now quickly select the data type,
Data type.
character again.
Save
Yes,
character.
character. If you notice,
Attributes.
previously it was attribute 4. Now it is taking attribute 5. So the system is automatically allocating the available
Yeah.
table column for each additional fields that we are creating. So value sets. Please select character. I mean, not character. Chase state. Yeah, we have chase state, right? Yeah. It's taking some time for me. Like
State, right?
I'm still not able to see the correct
Yeah, it's
window.
also
Chase
state.
state.
Range also I give you low here.
Yeah, low or high or
No.
something. Yeah. Previously you gave low, right? So here you
Yeah.
can give high. Simply provide it as high.
Okay.
And default type is not required. Initial default, right? It is not required. At the bottom, chase state is there. We can leave it as it is. And scroll down a bit. I'm not able to see anything. It's not reflecting.
Business intelligence.
Okay, it's not required. It's not
It's
required.
that.
Yeah, just save and close. So once you have created it, please save and close. You have entered all the values, right? Yeah. Have you saved and closed it?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now, if you see, we are having two
Six.
additional values,
Yeah.
correct? So save and close again. Over here also save and close. Now it's still loading for me. The page is not correctly showing me where you are. So I believe you are on the previous page where we can perform
The
validation and
deploy.
deploy. Yes, please deploy it.
Deploy that again. The
Yes,
location
please.
attribute.
Yes. Location attribute because now it shows edit, right? It is shown as edited. Yeah, perfect. No errors. Perfect. Okay. Now go to the other tab. Manage locations tab is there, right? You have already have it open. So go there and create a new location. I'm not able to see anything. Yeah, perfect.
Create location. Yeah.
Um, did you try to create a new one or we haven't done anything at all here?
Yeah. I created a new one.
Okay, cancel this. Cancel this. Completely come out of it. Yeah, now click on create.
Create.
It is still showing latitude, longitude, and those values. We have, I think, hmm, we have enabled it, right? We have enabled a few other and disabled this.
Mm-hmm.
No, it should be available on the top only, location information only. Okay, please go to the other tab, manage descriptive. Uh, yeah, flex field. Yeah, so we have enabled it. So we have deployed the fields. Please deploy it again. Like select the correct. Yeah, I'll deploy it again. Yeah, let's see if it is deployed correctly. Deployment completed successfully. Start a new session of the runtime application to view changes. Okay, it is because of the caching problem. So what we have to do is we have to close these two, completely close this tab,
Mm-hmm.
open a new browser, not a tab. Close this as well, or sign out and close the tab.
Okay.
Sign out and close the tab
Oh,
and open incognito mode. No, open a incognito mode.
sign out totally here.
Yes. So it is because of the caching. So it is showing like this. Yeah. So right click on the Chrome, right? We have no, not here. At the bottom, we have the icon, right? Chrome icon. Please right click on it. So once you have right clicked, you will see new incognito window. Please select that. So the screen is
New
still not
in,
incognito window. Yes. Please open it. Copy paste this in this incognito window.
yeah, you have
Please log in into incognito mode. I'm not able to see your screen properly. Not sure what happened. It's still loading for me.
just open one more maybe.
Hmm.
Just take
Or
this
else, as
one.
you have created it, maybe I can share my screen and perform this action alone.
Control V.
Yes, I'm able to see your
Yeah,
screen now. Yeah, yeah. Or else I will do a screen sharing session. Yeah.
it's showing system error. Why?
System error.
Mm.
That should not happen. Okay.
Oh, it
Let.
came now.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Now,
Actually, I'm not able to see the correct page. Like, it did not refresh it, so it's still showing me as Google. Yeah.
control.
Okay. I believe you have logged in, right? You have logged into the system, right?
Yeah,
And please click on. I mean, try to create a
yeah.
new location. So in the location, you will be able to see the new fields. Is it right?
Okay, single sign on. I'm supposed to sign in, right?
No. Mm,
Yeah.
you're using 11. Yeah, that is correct only. It will access manager. Okay.
Select it.
Give me a second. Give me a second. Shall I share my screen?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Because there is a delay. I'm not able to view what page you are in. So you have actually created everything. So I don't have to recreate anything. So I'm just going into this page.
Location.
And, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, you're logging in, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
Yes.
I'm trying to create a location. Manage location.
Yes. So you manage. Okay, you managed to get into the system. Okay. Cool.
Manage location. Then
Yes. Setup and
create a
maintenance.
location. Right?
Create location. Yes.
And name. What should I name?
No.
Chase.
Just review. Just review if the fields that we have entered is available. Like we have created a.
Chase. Country DFF. Yeah. State.
Yes.
Contest.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah. That's
exactly, exactly. So, because of the caching problem, like it is a browser issue, we were not able to see that previously. Now we are able to
oh,
see. See,
yeah.
chase country. So once we select the state, you will see Chicago and San Francisco. And if we are updating this as IND, accordingly, we will be able to see Bangalore, Chennai,
Yeah.
Hyderabad,
Okay.
and UK, we are able to see Atlanta and London. So this is how we can add our preferred like fields.
Mm.
Okay. So we don't have to save the location because we know how location works. The next session, what we can do is we can save the location and see in the backend, like there is something called reporting and analytics. In that navigator, like in the navigator, it is available.
Mm-hmm.
Navigator, tools, we can see reporting and analytics. Using this option, and this is the only place where we can have a link between the database. Yeah, so over here we can create report and we can see, like we can perform few actions and see how it is saved, where the data are saved and so on. Yeah, we can look into this in the next session.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
So this was like creating the flex field and sorry, value and the field, right?
Yes, yes. So today's session we saw how to create
Create
value
the
sets. Yes,
yeah.
value sets. So there are few types, right? Six types of value sets that not six, actually five, that we have created. So last
Format
session itself, we have
and
created all those. Yes.
mm,
And then we have mapped it to the flex fields. So we have
format.
seen only, sorry, yes, yes.
We
Please
have
go ahead.
created format. We created the
Yes,
format. Then
yes,
created independent. Created the dependent. That was the state. And
yes,
then we created the flex fields.
yes,
Uh,
yes.
and then
Yeah.
we linked the flex field with the value
Location
set.
in one of the, exactly, in one of the module or object in the module, like in location we have added these values. We can also add this in some other module also, say division also we can add, or department also we can add. When we are creating it, we would like to see this, then we can add it and have it there as well.
So the departments, then we have to do the jobs, right?
mm, I did not get you.
So if we add the departments there, you said to add look
In the
no we
department, no, no, in the like what I meant is, mm, in the setup and maintenance, right?
mm-hmm.
We can like we what we did now is we were trying to create a location, or location was picked as an example. In the same
Mm.
manner, we can have manage department. In
Okay.
manage department, uh, we can
Department,
actually,
and we link it up with the country and state, right?
yes, the country and state we can use it, like those are examples, few examples that we used to create a DFF. Yeah, descriptive flex field we have
Mm-hmm.
used, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
the descriptive flex fields are flexible enough to be used anywhere in the system.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and next session, we can see how to create context values, how to set it up in the context values. What are the values we can have it in context values, and how we can use. And maybe as to clear your question, we can have it like we can deploy this in instead of location, we can deploy it on department.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that you will have a clear idea, like how this works and where it can be set up and so on. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I got it, but little like mixing it up with department and jobs and like I'm thinking
yeah,
that it's going to like the
those are
job,
function. Hmm.
job and the department are going to be linked up. Like no, it's not like that, right?
It's not like that. It's not like that. This is something technical. Like say there are 50 fields which is already available in the system, and client would like to have few more, like three more fields. at that point we will create these three more fields like example, if employee details have first name, last name, and only date of join, and client saying that boss, I need to have maiden name and known as, then we will use this value sets and create text fields, two text fields, and then we will use this flex field like yeah, manage flex field, right? So we will use this option and place it in one of the objects or functions.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and
Okay.
so that we can capture known as and maiden name as well. So it's
Mm-hmm.
like that. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, okay, then we're done for today, and tomorrow we can review how we can perform the other tasks. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
then have a
Thank you.
great day. Thank you. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
You too. Bye. Bye.